welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my routine on how I keep my hair growing and moisturized while it's in a protective style. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So it's been about a month since I installed my knotless braids. I do have a video on my channel if you want to check out that tutorial. So on the right hand side, I am showing you that is the first day that I installed my knotless braids, and then on the left side is how my knotless braids look after a month. So right here I'm just showing you guys the new growth that I've gotten in a month, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys my routine. So my routine is pretty easy. The first thing I like to use is a water-based leave-in, and the one that I'm using is the Crayon Lily Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher, which is a part of my hair care line. The link is always down in the description if you are interested. And I like to just lightly spray this on my roots. I like it to just be damp but not like soaking wet. And I'm just gonna spray this all over my roots. And this curl refresher contains ingredients such as aloe vera, hibiscus, rose water, and it also contains MSM. And with the rose water, it helps to stabilize hair pH, and with the hibiscus, it helps to strengthen your roots and it helps to keep your hair healthy. And when it comes to aloe vera, it works as a great conditioner that helps to promote hair growth, prevents itching of the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions the hair. Also, I like to use this on my hair at least twice a week. So after I apply the spray all over my roots, then I'm going to follow up with the Crayon Lily Henna Hair Growth Oil. This oil can also be found on my website. This oil contains ingredients such as henna, amla, neem, shikakai, fenugreek, aloe vera, black seed, mustard seed, and if you want the full ingredients list, that can be found on my website as well. But when it comes to henna, it directly affects the scalp, assisting in improving follicle health. It helps to curb hair fall, and it helps to prevent and correct hair thinning. Also, henna deeply conditions and combats dry hair and split ends. Also, it helps with hair breakage, length retention, and it also helps with stagnant hair growth. So I just like to apply the henna hair growth oil all over my roots, and I use it pretty much every day. Right before I go to bed, I just apply it all over my roots every night. I did do a video a few months back on why I use my henna hair growth oil every night and the benefits of it. And I also, in that video, I did like a length check to show you guys like how much growth I had seen by actually applying oil on my hair every single night. If you haven't checked out that video, then I'll leave it linked in the cards above or down in the description box.
Trying not to show
So after I applied both the products to my hair, then I just give myself a scalp massage. I try not to go over like 2 minutes. Most of the times I just use my fingers. Here and there I'll use a scalp massager. The one that I'm going to be using in this video, I believe I got it from Marshall's. But yeah, but most of the times I just use my finger, and I try not to go over like 2 minutes. Also, when applying products to your hair, don't forget your edges as well as your nape area, because they need love and attention too.
Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
So after I'm done massaging my scalp, I go ahead and I like to put my braids into a bun, and that is pretty much it. So like I said, my hair has been in this protective style for about a month now, and I know I'm probably going to keep it in for an additional month. After that, I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them in longer than that, or I'm gonna take them out. I guess I'm kind of prolonging it because I don't know what to do with my hair next, but we shall see. But you know, of course, when I take my hair out, I will do a video on that. And yeah, so this is my moisturizing routine. This is how I keep my hair growing while it's in braids right now. So my routine is pretty simple. I like to use the Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher 2 times a week, and then I follow up with my henna hair growth oil, which I use every night, and then I follow up with a scalp massage, and then that is the routine. That is pretty simple. So I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box to all the items that were used in the video, as well as to the videos that I talked about in the video, which is the length check video that talks about the benefits of using like oiling your hair every night, and then also if you want to check out the knotless braids tutorial. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thank you.